Over the past few years, web development has completely changed. So does your website visitors. So as a modern web developer, it's crucial to create visually stunning website which grab attention of your visitors and compel them to visit your website again and again. And for that, you need to add visual effects on your website images or graphics. And that's where CSS image filters kicks in. CSS image filters give you access of almost a dozens of filters you can use to add visual effects on your website graphics on the web. It's like a Photoshop filter but for the browser. For example, this is the original image and I have changed the brightness of it in a Photoshop. But if you use CSS filter, you don't have to go to Photoshop and apply any filters. You can directly use CSS image filter to create the same effect on the fly on the browser. As of right now, CSS image filter property give you access to 10 image filters, including gray, sepia, contrast, brightness, saturate, opacity, blur, hue rotate, drop shadow, and invert function. And I'm gonna show you every filter in action in complete depth in this course. I'll also show you that how you can chain multiple filters together in order to create more compelling and complex visual effects. Just like this Canva photo editor, if I click, I can go to adjust and then I can apply this brightness, see, I can adjust the brightness, I can adjust the contrast, I can adjust the saturation, it's right here like this, and blur and so on. So obviously if you know JavaScript, you will be able to create this kind of photo editor using CSS image filters. After that, I'll show you that how you can animate your filters. Hi there, my name is Rahul Giri and I'm a web developer and graphic designer who have over 10 plus experience in web development, and I'll be your guide for this course. So roll up your sleeves, fire up your creator, and let's get started with CSS image filters adding visual effects to the images.